Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share with you how to use the Sandbox. It's a part of virtualization. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbote na bandeko no subuza kolanda ngai. Lelo na coach bino ndenge nini tuitilizaka Sandbox. Eza partie ya virtualization. Ngoloba virtualization ngo eza susu nini gile. Bolanda bakulu oya lecture na tie wana soki botali yango okocomprendre okomona ke makambo naza koloba eza na sens. Ok, alors tokokende na biso na nini na kosala biloko nyonso to oyo na host machine nanga. Host machine okaka koza kocomprendre mo oyo nazoloba te. Host machine eza oyo yango tozobenga host machine. Ok, alors tokobenga mpe susu physical machine. Ok, alors vous pardonnez nga tam susu osala journalisme to pédagogie to théologie to science nini science politique terminologie na biso ezalaki kokana te. Alors eloko tokosala tokoya na biso awa, tokoya awa tokokoma na biso oyo turn monde na komi wana turn window feature on or off. Tokoklique na biso na yango, tokoklique na yango. Soko klike na yango komona tableau moko ekebima. Ok, ekebima sikoyo okomona place moko bakoma window sandbox. Tokoklique na biso na yango, klike na yango. Ale tokoya na biso awa. Ok, mosoko klike awa. Ok, ok, zana patience zela yango. Tozela yango. Guys, we're just gonna wait, okay? Just be patient. So you see guys, here we got restart now. Don't restart, but in this case we're just gonna click here. Okay, you click there and restart your computer. Okay, so we're gonna click there. When we click, what we have to do now when we start our computer, we're gonna come here. Okay, right here, we're gonna come there. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna come right here. Okay, so we restart our computer. After we're done, we're gonna come right here. Okay, so here we're gonna type here. Okay, so when we are here, all right, so we type here, we're gonna type this name send. You see this is the one we need. Click on it. Okay, this one gonna come up, this one. Okay, this is a different computer. Okay, so this is the computer, this is the one. Okay, so I'm gonna close it, show you guys again. Okay, so we're gonna come right here. This is what we have to type. Okay, send box, this one. Okay, okay, this is the one, this is the one. So what happened, I'm gonna show you guys. If we go back here, okay, let me close it. If we go back here, we type this turn. You see this one? Without doing this, if you don't enable this like this, we're not gonna have it. So you have to do the way I did first. Go follow the way I'm doing so far. You should be good. So, and then after that, we're gonna have this. This one is not virtual. It's not virtual box. No, it's not Hyper-V. No. So what happened? Whatever we do here inside, when we close it, it's gone. Okay. This oyo ezaka lokola ndeti elilingi na ngai, elilingi. nangai elingo lo bandeti moni za suko o mimoni na miroir o mitali na miroir o moni longo kuna na kati mais ça vraiment yote ndenge moko na oyo siko na oyo eloko nyonso tosala na kati awa soki tokangi yango ebungi moni ndenge ezala so nde atindeli yo virus biloko na mabe wana soki ndeti ofongoli yango awa sur 100% na ndimi te vraiment okozwa yango alors so ndeti toye awa tokoma ndeti sien ok tokoma ndeti boye komi boye toklike na biso awa toklike boye ok sikoyo toloba ndeti host machine host name omoni kombo epesi biso toloba ndeti wana eza kombo ordinateur na ngai te soki ndeti tolobi who am I omoni kombo epesi biso omoni me mashini na ngai eza na kombo mosusu omoni sikoyo yango wana tokoke na biso mpe na Google awa so mpe tolingi toke na biso na Google klike na biso awa toke na biso mpe na Google naloba ndeti nakende ndeti na Google toke na YouTube nabeta ndeti kombo ya chaîne na ngai oyo eza nini na chaîne na ngai so toye awa klike wana toye ndeti awa oyo eza chaîne na ngai oyo eza chaîne na ngai ya napesa bacours na ngai ya anglais na ya français me bacours ya français na opesa wana te na ya anglais mpo nalingi nakoma na biloko ebele ya informatique alors ndenge nazobongisa ngo mpo omoni kosala bavideo ezwaka temps po eloko okokoma toza na bato mosusu bakritikaka bato na ndenge mwa mabe omoni kaka ndenge bato bazotala na YouTube bongo toza na bato surtout na ndenge na bamabe te biso banoir tokritikaka bato mabe makasi moni alors moni loko soki ozokoma mfu bongisa ngo malamu bacours anglais na ya français nazobongisa ngo na balivre moni na balivre na bandeda ya kokoma yango mais to balivre nazokoma ya anglais na ya français eloko fo kobongisa ngo babongisaka eloko soki obongisi yango eza malamu moni balivre anglais nazobongisa ya français nazobongisa eza problème ya temps oloba me yo sokoma so balivre ndeni wi babongisaka eloko fo kobongisa eloko mpona bato ntango moto okomi livre moto azotanga azwi vraiment nini ya malamu olieke okoma kaka mbangu mpolakisa bato yo moto okoma livre basalaka bon te nazobongisa mpe na balivre mosusu ya ordinateur alors babiloko wana na olobela yango après oyo nasali oyo eza chaîne na nga kaka ya oyo natiaka bacours ya anglais na ya français sikoyo naza na chaîne mosusu soko ndeti nabeti yango nakomi ndeti boye ndeti so ndeti nakomi boye so ndeti na ye awa yango oyo eza chaîne ya sika monionga ya sika eza ya oyo eza chaîne oyo na place yango napesaka bacours ya ordinateur. So ndeti toye awa klike ndeti awa na biso awa eza chaîne ya sika na tofongola kaka mikolo oyo bavideo naotya bavideo mwa mingi ta mosusu bato mosusu wana bezo botala. eza nini ya sika yango wana eza chaîne ya sika donc naotya babiloko mwa mingi yango wana sikoyo omoni place nasaleli yango awa ndeti napesa ndeti nakota ndeti na site na nga. Oh. eza site na ngai soki oye awa otali. Yeah, so this one my website, and then let's see. Let's see. Oh, you see the course I put here, all those courses. I'm gonna start. Wow, it's around 2025. So I'm gonna put everything's here, okay? But you guys have to register, okay? So let's see. If in case you wanna know about the Canadian law, because some of these courses is gonna be part of, for example, let's say, let's see, criminal justice system. You need to know a little bit about you need to know the law. That's why I end up putting here, okay? For example, if you click here, you wanna know about the Canadian about our Constitution Act. You click here, it's gonna bring you there, okay? It's gonna show you here. And let's say that you wanna apply for my program. You wanna apply for this program, you have to download this application, okay? You have to download, you fill up this application, and then you're gonna click here and you contact me from here, okay? You click there and you contact me. Let's say you wanna do the donation, you're gonna click here. If you click there, let's say you wanna make monthly donation, you wanna use this one. Let's say you wanna put $10 a month, right? Or let's say you wanna put $100 a month. You click here, or you can use your card. You can, let's say you wanna make one-time donation. You click there, and then you fill them up, right? It's gonna come to my bank account. This is not like fraud. No, it's not. It's gonna come straight to me. Okay, so when you do this, you finish. Okay, when you do this, you finish, and you come here. Let's say you open this, you do this from here. Okay, you finish, and let's say you close it. Okay, it's gone. That's it. All right, nobody gonna see, like, you know, this one. It's not a virtual machine. It's not virtual box. No, it's different. So when you close that, it's gone. So let's say, for example, if I go back here, I type this, send this one, I click on it, right? And then I bring it here, right? I open it, right? If I go back here, oh, you know what? Let me show you guys something. Let me click here. Okay, let's write this. Let me write something. Let me type something here. Okay, I'm gonna type something here. Let's put Gillen. Oh, let's put Okay. Okay, now let's tap this. Okay, so we're gonna save it, right? So if we save this, okay, we're just gonna save this, and then we close it. We save it. When we open it, it's right here, right? Now we're gonna close this. Okay, we close it. So we're gonna close this machine, right? Right now we're gonna open it. So we're gonna open this. We're gonna type this. Okay, we come here. Right, and then we're gonna go to our stamp. We're gonna click to here. You see, it's gone. It's completely gone. Omonyango, eloko tosali ebungi eza susu te. Donc machine wana eza soko meme omoni bato bazalaka na soki ndeti mutu atindeli yo email ya mabe te mutu azosalinga asala busalite moko mabe na ordinatere na yo olieke ofongola oyo olieke nafongola machine na nga oyo olieke nafongola yango awa kofongola yango awa te mondela mutu atindeli yo email oza vraiment na confiance na yango te kofongola yango awa te kofongola yango te yaka awa salaka ndenge nasali oye awa okomi oyo leke bima me landa ndenge nasali soki oklike nango oklike nango ntango eke bima yango oyo ntango eke bima oye oke na google okay oke na google ofongoli yango apartir kuna na awa okokobeta na ope www google eke bima obeti na yo google. Okay, google eke bima wana ofongoli email no apartir awa. Okay, ofongoli email na yo wana otala ngo pepele olieke soki ndeti mutu atindeli yo virus wana atake babiloko na oyo eza na machine oyo olieke ebebisa oyo ebebisa oyo te ekende kobebisa awa sikoyo awa soki ndeti ezwi ku okangi no yango okangi yango esili ebebisilo lelo moko te. Alors video na osuka na nga mpona lelo nde na baso bozala mituna botindela nga yango na kosala nyonso na répondre bino. Merci mingi botika